So hello, that's Paulina, and today I'm going to show you a fantastic beach. So this is actually Albatross Hotel, and this is Albatross Beach. So I'm going to show you this place and why a lot of people come to this hotel and why people decide to spend their holidays in this hotel. So first of all, you can see a lot of space. So there are enough space for everybody. Like the beach is very long. You can see the sea, and it's very comfortable if you're traveling with children because it's quite easy to go to swim. So there are no rocks, no cliffs like shells and so on, so that's quite comfortable for your feet and for your small children. You can see palm trees, quite beautiful. So as you can see, enough space for everybody. So people come, as you see, like the whole family comes to the beach. See the stairs, so you just go down and you can swim. Also, these equipment, these boats are for excursions, for some sports activities, for some events, like if you want to ride, a banana, if you want to ride a parachute, and so on. So that's probably like the high time for people on the beach. Maybe that's about 11 or 12 o'clock when a lot of people come to the beach. So that's why there are so many people, but that's quite peaceful. As you can see, there are a lot of kids. Also, you can see the staff of the hotel, so they are checking the safety. So if you have any problem, you can come to these people and explain what happened. See, so there are stairs in each place, quite comfortable. You can see the sand. Alright, so also there is like a bar, it's not a restaurant. So if you're hungry and if you don't want to go to have lunch in the hotel, you can go to the bar, you can eat some snacks, also enough tables. So they usually serve fruits, maybe some burgers, pizza, french fries, and also if you want you can have drinks like soft drinks, fizzy drinks, cola, Sprite, Fanta, so that's up to you. Also there is a toilet and showers. Okay, so this place is for entertainment. So the animation team usually comes during peak time. They try to engage people in participating in different activities like dancing, maybe yoga, people play volleyball, and so on. So the staff is usually quite active, friendly, welcoming, and it's not a problem if you want to do some exercises, so you just join the people and you do the exercises. As you can see, there is some kind of a party, I guess just the end of it. You can see the balloons, some decorations. So people are just having fun, and you can see these boats. I think this is a tourist's favorite place to take photos. That's like a big accessory on the beach. Also, this small house is for excursions. So if you want to book an excursion, you can come inside. You can ask people who work there. The staff actually can answer all of your questions. Let's check the view on the sea. Very peaceful picture. Mountains, there are some rocks. And actually, SeaWorld is amazing because you may see different kinds of fishes, unique fishes, the fishes that you may not see in the place where you live, but these fishes can be seen in Egypt for sure. As I said before, the beach is very long with enough space for everybody. If you're traveling alone, if you're traveling with a big family, it's not a problem to find a place for you. sea quite comfortable with the children, so just the stairs. But you know, in some cases you may need to buy Crocs just to, you know, protect your feet, because in the sea you may find some small like pieces of shells or maybe rocks. So if you don't want to get any injuries, I guess it's a priority to buy special shoes for you for protection. Also, you can see the boys that offer different excursions. They usually go along the beach and they can give you some information about the excursions. So if you're interested in any excursions, you just ask them. They're welcome to answer all of your questions. You may have noticed that the beach is very clean, so no rubbish, no trash here. People are calm. Usually there are no problems. So staff is usually watching what is happening on the beach. Okay, so here you can see that the beach is about to end. And also, if we go forward, we may find a wild beach. And also tourists like to go to that beach. There are not so many people, but you know, there are some rocks. Well, you can take photos as well. Yeah, that's called wild because I would say there is no equipment for like normal sunbathing and swimming, but also that's quite interesting. So as I said before, this is Albatross Hotel and this is Albatross Beach. You can see the view, you can see the mosque from this place. Beautiful picture. This bay is quite calm and quite good. So welcome and stay with us. Goodbye.